Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to walk you through how to set up Cash App as a payment option for your business or website, perfect for small business owners, freelancers, or anyone want to accept money via Cash App as a merchant. Let's jump it right now. To start, make sure you have a verified Cash App account with a username and ensure your email and phone number are linked. This helps customers identify and send your payment. Step number one, use your hashtag for direct payments. If you are accepting payments manually like via Instagram, Facebook, or email, simply share your hashtag or a Cash App pay link. You can generate your payment link from the app or adding hashtag website to your invoice or website. Step 2, set up a QR code for a person payment. Open Cash Apps, tap your profile icon, tap the QR code in the top left corner. Then select My Code and share or download it. You can print this QR code and display it all your store to event both for easily scanning and payments. Integrated Cash Apps with online stores manually option. Cash Apps doesn't yet offer officially API access for website as of now, but you can integrate it manually by adding your cash tag or QR code on your website, checkout, or payment page. Give clear instruction to customer pay using Cash App, your cash tag, and mention order ID in the notes, asking users to send a payment screenshot or confirmation email. This works well for Shopify customer field or commerce manually payments or any form-based checkout system. And that's how you can use Cash App for your business as a merchant while it doesn't offer full e-commerce API integration just yet. These steps make it easy to collect payments both online and in person. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.